Forget who you think you are. Transitioning from survival to thriving can be as simple as building habits that work for you versus against you. It's about learning how to get on your own winning team, teaching you how to become your greatest asset versus your greatest liability. Hi, my name is Tanya Oliver, the creator of this 21-day habit builder. I'm an executive coach for high-end achievers, teaching people how to operate at higher levels, mentally, physically, and emotionally. In this course, you're going to learn the 4 fundamental habits that are going to provide you with the order and the structure that you need in order to scale your business, your life, and your bank account. Look, I get it, change is never easy, but neither is staying the same. Now is your time to thrive. Claim it. Click the link below and let's build you up.